Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to avoid Mousetrap R6, easy method. First, always wear thick gloves and keep fingers clear, then move slowly and work with good light. Lay out tools and bait so you never reach across a set trap. Use a stick or tweezers to handle triggering parts and keep children and pets away while you arm or disarm traps for safer results. Place traps where mice naturally run, usually against walls and in corners, and avoid open walkways. Use low-profile spots that reduce the chance of someone bumping a trap. Align traps parallel to the wall with the trigger facing outward to attract mice without exposing the mechanism to accidental touches. Check placements daily and adjust to activity patterns to keep the setup effective and safe for everyone. Choose bait that mice love but that won't fall off easily, like a small dab of peanut butter, and attach it firmly to the trigger. Avoid large chunks that encourage theft without activation. Use a tool to press the trigger lightly and ensure it trips cleanly, and consider using a soft barrier over the mechanism when moving traps. These small steps cut down on false triggers and keep you safer during setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.